Hey guys, we received this Domino train toy game from Mokasi store to test and try. So here you can see that comes in a really nice box. This also comes with this dominoes. So people who don't know that it will be a train that can hold these cartridges with the dominoes, and then it will just make up a chain like a physical chain, and then kids can play and adjust. So once you just push it, then everything will fall. So it's a fun thing, and the impression for this is like a good material and packing. Here you can see it's all plastic, requires the batteries. These are the supplied dominoes, so three different colors like the green, orange and blue. There are two cartridges that were given with it, so you can just adjust these dominoes like this, of the different colors or whatever the color you want to do. And then once this cartridge is all filled, you can put it on top of this train, and this train will start working. So it's pretty easy to fill in the cartridge, and you can slide in this up top cover, and this is like the batteries. So I'm just putting in the batteries. So once the batteries and everything is put in, we can start the train, and let me just show you the demo. So there are two AA batteries. So let's just close the cover and screw in, and then just start it. So there is an on and off button on the side like this one, and then just put it. You can see like a LED light on the front, and then it will start making these dominoes in the sequence. You can just push one and everything will fall. So it's a fun thing for the kids. You can just put all the different combination of the colors, and then adjust it the way you want. So it's pretty easy and straightforward thing, but it's fun for the kids. That, and then it's also good for their learning, and they have to adjust and plan this dominoes inside this thing, and then use it. So this is all set, and I'm just trying to put in. You can see the string is moving in, and this is particularly putting the dominoes in the same difference, and a pretty much straightforward line. So it's all different colors, and then yeah, it's like a fun thing for the kids, and you have to replace the cartridge every time. So they provided two cartridges here. So if you like this very fun stuff. So the kids are playing, they like this. They're also playing in a round or whatever the things they want to do, and they are just playing with them. So I think it's a fun for the kids, fun for even for the adults to work with. A very nice game.